Even without pistons, this engine is used in the most prestigious official races. This is the rotary engine, the most unique internal combustion system in the automotive world. Unlike conventional engines that use pistons moving up and down, the rotary engine works with a triangle-shaped rotor spinning inside an elliptical chamber. One rotor can replace the work of 3 to 4 pistons, because each side of the rotor performs intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust, all in a single full rotation, without connecting rods and reciprocating motion. This engine can still spin smoothly, with minimal vibration, and rev up very quickly. Its design is simple, lightweight, yet its power is fierce. Its distinctive sound is like a mini jet shark, and the power remains brutal at high RPMs, even though its fuel efficiency is low and maintenance is complex. Its mechanical character is remarkably simple and efficient in form. That's what makes this engine a legend in cars like the Mazda RX-7. And the 787B, the LeMans Champion with a 4-rotor drive, the rotary engine isn't just an innovation. It's proof that speed can be born from perfect rotation. Follow us to expand your insights into the world of automotive, engineering, and technology.